Pedophilia OCD is a type of obsessive compulsive disorder in which people are bothered by unwanted intrusive thoughts of a pedophilic nature. So they may have unwanted intrusive images of them engaged in pedophilic acts or of children engaged in sexual acts of any kind, whether they're involved or not. As you can imagine, these thoughts are quite distressing to people and often trigger a tremendous amount of uncertainty about whether or not they're attracted to children, and often, when they talk to other people, this may trigger some anxiety in them as well. We know that these are simply unwanted, intrusive thoughts. They don't have any actual meaning other than that the person probably has obsessive compulsive disorder, but of course they do cause tremendous distress and anxiety. The compulsions that you see are efforts to sort of persuade the person that they are in fact not a pedophile. So they may read about pedophiles online and compare themselves to what they're reading to sort of check and see, am I like that person? Obviously they'll also try and suppress, distract, ignore, avoid the thoughts that they're having, the unwanted intrusive images. They'll go through a lot of efforts to try and prevent them from happening. People might also engage in some kind of neutralization act to try and sort of undo them, something that makes them feel like they've undone the harm, sort of imagined harm of having these bad thoughts. People with this, of course, live with a fair amount of shame and have a hard time disclosing this to other people. But again, as in all OCD, the content of these thoughts really doesn't have any meaning other than that it's highly distressing to the individual.